Detail King's 3-day Craftsman Seminar is perfect for anyone looking to start their own auto detailing business or take their existing business to the next level. Our IDA certified trainers have decades of experience in the detailing industry and will provide you with hands-on instruction through the process of properly detailing a vehicle as well as operating your own business. Detail King is a privately licensed technical school through the Pennsylvania Board of Education, and we pride ourselves on providing the highest level of education possible to our students. The graduates of our 3-day Craftsman Seminar leave as a certified auto detailer, an accreditation that will instill confidence in your customers and set yourself apart from the competition. Don't just take it from us, hear what one of our most recent students had to say about the course.
Fantastic. Everyone is super cool, man. Exchange numbers, got contacts. You know, we show each other videos of our work and stuff, and they're all like, oh my God, that's amazing. And you look at their work and you're like, oh my God, dude, how'd you do that? Absolutely, I would recommend it. Just setting yourself apart from the competition in your area. I sold a detail yesterday in the middle of class because I was able to say, you know, I'm a professionally certified technician whenever it comes to automotive detailing. It just gave her that level of being comfortable with me already knowing that I've taken the time to go through this school, learn everything that I need to learn about automotive detailing, and she knows I'm gonna take care of her car.
Our Craftsman Seminar is held monthly at our facility in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We will walk you through the process of completing a full interior and exterior detail, as well as train you to complete and leverage specialty services such as headlight restoration, plastic trim restoration, paint chip repair, carpet dyeing, cigarette burn repair, and odor removal. For more information about the class, visit our website at www.detailking.com.